Dear students, we will continue. Now, this is one of the most important sum. Now, what is given is x equal to a cos cube t, y equal to a sin cube t. If so, then we have to prove some result. What is that? What is the result which you are going to prove? Dy by dx equal to y by x to the power 1 upon 3. Okay, very simple. Now, first we will write x equal to a cos cube t. That means a into cos t the whole cube. So, dx by dt equal to a into x to the power n formula 3 into cos t 3 minus 1 into derivative of cos t. So, it is equal to 3a cos square t into what is the derivative of cos t? Minus sin t. Okay. So, this you have got dx by dt. In a similar way, we have to do y also. Y equal to a sin cube t equal to a into sin t the whole cube. So, dy by dt equal to a into x raised to n formula 3 into sin t to the power 3 minus 1 into derivative of sin t. So, it is equal to 3a sin square t into what is the derivative of sin t? Cos t. Now, listen very carefully. This is one of the important sum. Now, what is dy by dx? Dy by dt upon dx by dt. So, it is equal to what is the dy by dt? 3a sin square t into cos t upon minus 3a cos square t into sin t. Now, sin t cancel cos, okay, 3a. So, what you are having is minus sin t upon cos t. That much you have got. This is equation number 1. But look at this. Here you have got y upon x. So, some adjustment we have to do it. Some adjustment we will do. Now, what is x? X equal to a cos cube t. Correct? It is given in the sum. Now, what we will do? This a we will take it here. X upon a equal to cos cube t. Now, taking cubed root on both the sides. X by a cubed root equal to cos t cube to the power 1 by 3. Now, this will become x 1 by 3, x upon a 1 by 3 equal to, this will get cancelled. So, cos t. This is equation number 2. Correct? Because this is cos t 3 into 1 by 3. Correct? So, we will get cos t. Now, similarly y equal to a sin cube t given. So, y by a equal to sin cube t. So, taking cube root y upon a 1 by 3 equal to sin t the cube to the power 1 by 3. So, y by a cube root equal to sin t. Now, what we will do is, these two result we will be substituting in 1. Now, dy by dx equal to minus sin t upon cos t. Now, dy by dx equal to, what is sin t? Y by a to the power 1 by 3 upon, what is cos t here? Cos t, x by a minus is there. So, where it is minus, dx by dt it is minus is there. Okay, here minus. So, it is x by a to the power 1 by 3. See what you can write, y raised to 1 by 3 upon a raised to 1 by 3 whole divided by x raised to 1 by 3 upon a to the power 1 by 3. So you will be getting minus y 1 by 3 upon x 1 by 3. That means minus y by x whole raised to 1 by 3. This is one of the most important and interesting sum in parametric differentiation. Followed? Now next sum. Next sum is again very important. That is, if x equal to log 1 plus t square, y equal to t minus tan inverse t, show that dy by dx equal to square root of e raised to x minus 1 upon 2. This is very important sum. Solution. X equal to log of 1 plus t square. Okay. Now differentiating x with respect to t. So dx by dt equal to, what is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So 1 upon 1 plus t square into derivative of 1 plus t square. So dx by dt equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square into, what is the derivative of this? 0 plus 2t. That is 2t upon 1 plus t square. It is dx by dt. You got it. Okay. Now similarly, what we have to do? We have to differentiate y also. Y equal to t minus tan inverse t. Differentiating y with respect to t. dy by dt equal to, what is the derivative of t with respect to t? 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. So is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square. Now we will take LCM. 1 plus t square, cross multiply 1 plus t square minus 1. So is equal to t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay. Now what we want? We want dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So which is equal to t square, here what is there? T square upon 1 plus t square whole divided by 2t upon 1 plus t square. So you will get cancelled, you will get t square upon 2t. So 1 t will go. So you got t by 2. Now listen very carefully. What is the answer we want? Like this. So now look at this. Now we have x equal to log 1 plus t square. Now taking, see, we will raise them to the power e. Therefore e raised to x equal to e raised to log 1 plus t square. So e raised to x equal to 1 plus t square into log e. But what is log e? What is log e? Log e is equal to 1. So what is t square? E raised to x minus 1 equal to t square. So taking square root. So t equal to square root of ex minus 1. This is equation 4. Substituting equation 4 in, or substituting equation 4 in equation 3, what we will get? Dy by dx equal to, what is t? Square root of e to the power x minus 1 upon 2. So this is very, very interesting sum. Okay, now next one we'll do. Next sum is what? It is also very interesting sum actually. If x equal to sin inverse e to the power t and y equal to square root of 1 minus e raised to 2t, show that sin x plus dy by dx equal to 0. Very important. Now solution. X equal to sin inverse e raised to t. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to t, we get dx upon dt equal to, what is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. So what is x here? E raised to t into derivative of e raised to t. So dx by dt equal to 1 upon square root of 1 minus e raised to a raised to m raised to n. E raised to t the whole square means e raised to 2t. 2t into, what is the derivative of e raised to t? E raised to t. So it is equal to e raised to t upon square root of 1 minus e raised to 2t. It is okay. Now y equal to square root of 1 minus e raised to 2t. What is y? Y equal to, yeah. Now what we have to do is, this equal to square root means what? Power 1 by 2. So this is x to the power 1 by 2. So dy by dt equal to x raised to n formula 1 by 2 1 minus e raised to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 into derivative of e raised to 2t. So it is 1 upon 2 into, this will become what? Square root of, or if you want you can write 1 by 2 1 minus e raised to 2t minus 1 by 2 into, what is the derivative? E raised to t. E raised to 2 is e raised to 2t into again derivative of 2t. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon square root of 1 minus e raised to 2t into e raised to 2t into 2. 2 to cancel. So you have got e raised to 2t upon square root of 1 minus e raised to 2t. Now we have got dx by dt also and dy by dt also. So what is the dy by dx? Dy by dt upon dx by dt. So which is equal to e raised to 2t upon square root of 1 minus e raised to 2t whole divided by, what is that? E raised to t upon square root of 1 minus e raised to 2t. So this will get cancelled. You are having e raised to 2t upon e raised to t. Okay. That means dy by dx equal to, somewhere minus sign is there, that we have left out somewhere. 1 minus, so here minus. So here minus. So here minus. So minus e raised to t 2t upon e raised to t means what? E raised to 2t means what? E raised to t into e raised to t upon e raised to t. So you are having minus e raised to t. But what we want, you see here little different. We have to calculate that. What is that? Now this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now x equal to sin inverse e raised to t. Okay. Now listen very carefully. taking sine on both the sides. Sin x equal to sine of sine inverse e raised to t. So what will happen? Sin x equal to e to the power t. Now this is 4. Substituting e raised to t equal to sin x in equation 3. What is equation 3? dy by dx equal to minus e raised to t. But what is e raised to t? Sin x. dy by dx equal to minus sin x. So you take it this side. So dy by dx, or you take it here, sin x plus dy by dx equal to 0. Got it or not? It is very interesting sum. Now next one we will do is next sum we will do if x equal to 2bt upon 1 plus t square, y equal to a into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, then show that dy by dx equal to minus b square y upon a square x. This is important. Now look at this, we will do the sum. Now solution. Look at this, 2bt upon 1 plus t square. See now, you are knowing it. What is sin 2 theta formula? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And what is cos 2 theta? 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Formula. So here 2 tan theta. So I will write b into 2t upon 1 plus t square. See, this is of this form. So now what we have to do? Put x equal to, put t equal to tan theta. Therefore what will become x? X will become b into 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. But what is this? See here, sin 2 theta. So x equal to b into sin 2 theta. Okay. Now what happened to y? This is equation 1. Now y equal to a into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Put t equal to tan theta. So what will be y? Y equal to a into 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. See here what happened? It is a equal to a cos 2 theta. A cos 2 theta. Now listen very carefully. Now what we want, like this we wanted, right? Now what we will do is, see here, from 1, what is x by b? Sin 2 theta. From 2, what is y upon a? Cos 2 theta. Now we know that sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta equal to 1. So now what is sin square 2 theta? What is sin 2 theta? This is sin 2 theta the whole square plus cos 2 theta the whole square equal to 1. What is sin 2 theta? X by b the whole square. 3 and 4 plus y by a the whole square equal to 1. Okay. Here somewhere minus sign is there. Okay. So x by this is there. Now what we will do is we will differentiate. See, that means this is what actually x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1. Now differentiating with respect to y. So what is the derivative of this? 1 by b square into 2x into dx by dy. Here we are differentiating with respect to y, plus 1 by a square into 2y equal to 0. Right. Now 2x upon b square into dx by dy equal to, we will take it out this side, minus 2y upon a square. Therefore dx by dy equal to minus 2y upon a square into cross multiply b square upon 2x. So what we will get is the required answer. So we got it finally. So here we should know some formulas, then only we will be able to understand. Now one more sum we will do. What is that sum? Differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x. So now listen, two functions are given. So let us take first one as u. Let u equal to x sin x and v equal to tan x. That means now we are differentiating u and v, both are functions of x, parametric functions. So differentiating u and v with respect to x. Okay, here u equal to x sin x. So derivative of x u with respect to x equal to uv method. X into derivative of sin x plus sin x into derivative of x. So x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative of x with respect to is 1. So x cos x plus sin x. This is your du upon dx. Now what we will do? V equal to tan x. So dv upon dx equal to, what is the derivative of tan x? Sec square x. So now what we have to do is, we want du by dv equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. So equal to, what is the du by dx? No, what we wanted, differentiate it. Okay, du by dx. What is the du by dx? Here, x cos x plus sin x upon, what is the dv by dx? Sec square x. Is there any difficulties here? It is very, very important sum. It is very, very important and very simple also. Now we will do one more sums we will do. That is differentiate three to the power x with respect to log 3 base e. Okay. Now here also two functions are given. Okay. Now let u equal to 3 to the power x and v equal to log 3 base e. Log 3 base x. Okay. This is x. Now u equals, okay, now what we have to do? We have to differentiate u and v with respect to x. So now first of all we will try to differentiate u. Du by dx equal to, what is the derivative of a to the power x? A to the power x into log a. A to the power x into log a. Now v equal to log 3 base x. That means what is the formula? Log m base n equal to log m upon log n. So it is log 3 upon log x. That means v equal to log 3 into 1 upon log x. Because log 3 is a multiplicative constant. So this again we will write v equal to log 3 log x. If you take it to the numerator, the power will be minus 1. So which formula? X to the power n. So dv by dx equal to log 3 into x raised to n formula. Minus 1 into log x to the power minus 1 into derivative of log x. That is 1 upon x. So minus log 3 into log x to the power minus 2 into what is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So now what we will have is, it's very simple, listen very carefully. So dv by dx equal to minus log 3 upon, this will come down, log x the whole square into 1 upon x. Okay. Now this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now what do you want? Du by dv equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Correct? So what is that? 3 to the power x log 3 upon minus log 3 upon x into log x the whole square. Now this also we can write upon 1. So 3 raised to x into log 3 upon 1 into this minus, I am taking it here. See how to take inverse, x into log x the whole square upon log 3. Log 3 will get cancel. So what we will get is minus, x will write first, 3 raised to x and then log x the whole square, x into log x the whole square into 3 raised to x. It is really interesting sum. We should practice at home. This is very, very important sum. Okay. Now last sum we will do. Differentiate cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x. So I got two function again. So here also we will write let u equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square and v equal to tan inverse x. Now here look at this, what is the formula? It is as good as the formula of, what is the formula here? Cos 2 theta. What is cos 2 theta? 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So here you see, so put x equal to tan theta. Therefore, what we will get? Theta equal to tan inverse x. Okay. Now here we will write u equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Because we are putting what is the x? Tan theta. So u equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta. So you will get 2 theta. So what is u? 2 theta. But what is theta here? Tan inverse x. Differentiating u with respect to x, du by dx equal to 2 into, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. Equation 2. Now what is v? Tan inverse x. So differentiating v with respect to x. So dv by dx equal to, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 plus x square. Now simply we will substitute. Okay. Therefore du by dv equal to du by dx whole divided by dv by dx. So it is equal to, what is that? 2 upon 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. So it is 2 upon 1 plus t square into 1 plus t square upon 1. So we have got 2. Therefore du by dv equal to 2. This is very interesting sum. You will have to practice at home. Okay. This will end our parametric differentiation, right?